Today we are paying tribute to Liam Payne by recreating one of my favourite songs by him, Strip That Down, in only 1 hour. 3, 2, 1, here we go. So the first thing that I want to do is create the snap, because that is going to be a key part of this song. So let's pull in just a MIDI track and I'll do some MIDI, so I think it goes boom, and then we'll snap it in there. Not there, there we go. And then turn it slightly, rest will do that, will be over, perfect, and do that one more time, so we've got 5. Perfect. Now, we're going to do the bass. This is probably the most iconic thing about this song. Dum 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 dum. Yeah, cool, that's the loop. And now we're just going to turn up the velocity slightly. And then, because my computer likes to bug out, I'm going to bounce this out as well. So we'll just call it bass, bip, yeah, that's fine. We're then going to mute that one because we don't need it for now. But we're also going to copy it over onto the sub track. And have it basically playing really low. Cool, sounding good. Let's turn down the bass slightly. I'm also going to EQ off just very highest bits. Perfect, that sounded really good. Now, there is a hey track going hey, hey on every offbeat. So we're just going to record that in now. Hey, 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 hey. As you can see, I've put a little bit of reverb and compression on this already. I'm going to grab the scissor tool. Then just chop all these, make sure I've got a nice fade on all of them. And then the next thing we can do is, so that sounds really good, I've panned them left to right as well. We're also going to pitch shift slightly on each of them. So this one we'll chuck up 2, this one we'll chuck down 3, and this one we'll chuck up a little bit higher, we'll put up to like 6. That just makes it sound a lot fuller. Next, our job is to copy and paste this over so it's in everywhere that we want it. Like that. I left the tail or the intro longer on the first one so I could see where I need to drag it. Just join all these up. You can do that by highlighting them all and pushing J on your keyboard. Now there's a really cool sparkle that he has before his voice comes in, so I'm just going to add that now. I found this really nice sparkle track in Splice, so if you don't have Splice, I would get it. Just drag that out. I think C will be okay. You know I've been taking some time and I've been keeping to myself. Cool, that sounds good. Now we're just going to copy this over. I might even hide this bass track. Like that. Get rid of the sparkle. And then this is our verse. And there's 2 run-throughs of that. Then on the last thing just here, there is a snare that does a pretty cool roll. So I'm gonna try and find my snare. Where did I put it? There it is. Oh, maybe it's I left it as the snap. Here we go. So let's do that. Unhide. Perfect. Now listen to this. So that's just to take us into the chorus. And then all that happens is the bass, the sub changes from being a sub to a 808. So that goes down there. And it's also layered up by some bells. These bells you can find in just standard Logic. Move that up a couple of octaves. Yeah, so this is the bell echo up, and you can just search for this over here. And you'll find it in Synth Bells, bell echo up. Perfect. Now that repeats a couple of times, along with the track that we've already created. And that is pretty much the song. Now we just need to record some vocals over the top of this. So let's do that now. This is my vocal chain, by the way. Feel free to copy it. It's just waves tune, some EQ. It's pretty simple stuff. Just a low cut. Got a compressor to take off the sharpest pointy bits, got a compressor just to ride the whole track, glue everything together, then got a tube EQ boosting at 6K, a de-esser to make sure my S sounds don't pierce through the mix, and then just some saturation to add some harmonic density. So let's record the vocals now. You know I've been taking some time and I've been keeping to myself. Had my eyes upon the prize and watching anybody else. Eyes upon the prize and watching anybody But your loving hit me hard, girl, yeah, you're bad for my health. I love the cards that I've been out. Do you feel the same as well? Now this bit is going to have some crowd vocals in. Put your hands on my body and swing them around for me, baby. You know I love it when the music's loud, but come and strip that down for me. Yeah, 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 yeah. Nice. If you do want me to one-on-one coach you, you can hire me for like 30 quid and I'll chat to you for 20 minutes and solve all your problems in life. Not really, but I'll try. I'll talk to you. And I also mix songs for like 200 quid, which is like standard market rate. And yeah. Hey, 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 hey. You know I've been taking some time and I've been keeping to myself. Had my eyes up on the prize and watching anybody else. But your loving hit me hard, girl, yeah, you're bad for my health. I love the cards that I've been dealt. Do you feel the same as well? You know I used to be in 1D, now I'm out free. People want me for one thing, that's not me. I'm not changing the way that I used to be. I just wanna have fun and get rowdy. One Coke and Bacardi, sipping lightly. When I walk inside the party, girls on me. F1 type Ferrari, 6 gear speed. Girl, love it when your body grinds on me, baby. You know I love it when the music's loud, but come and strip that down for me, baby. And there's a lot of people in this crowd, but only you can dance with me. So put your hands on my body and swing that around for me, baby. You know I love it when the music's loud, but come and strip that down for me. Yeah, 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 yeah. Thank you for watching. Bye.